I was getting ready to put my tie on this morning, and then it occurred to me that there are probably still some guys out there that don't know how to tie a tie, and figured somebody needs to know how to tie a tie. Maybe you're going to a job interview where you need a tie, or whatever the occasion is, and maybe you never had anybody to show you how to tie a tie. So I decided to make this short little video, show you how to tie a tie. First thing you're going to need, a shirt with a collar. You're going to need a tie, and then if you can, it always helps if you flip your collar up, and then you take the tie, the fat end in your left hand and the skinny end in your right hand, and you put it over your neck, and you pull it so the skinny end is about halfway down your chest or so. And then you're going to fold the skinny end over the fat end, and you hold it with your hand. Then you're going to take the fat end and you're going to wrap it around here, so it makes a nice fold. Then you switch hands, and you're going to, when you grab it, it's going to be the inside of the tie facing out, and you're going to take it and fold it around this side. Now the inside is still facing out, so what you're going to do now, you're going to hold it here. You're going to wrap it around your finger, and all the way around this side again. Okay, now see where this is a little pocket here. You're going to take this part, and shove it through that pocket, and you're going to make sure it doesn't get all twisted when it goes down. Fold the collar back over. And you cinch it up to your neck. Now you might have to experiment with it a little when you're tying the tie, depending on how thick your neck is or how tall you are. The ideal place for the end of the tie to be is halfway between the top and bottom of your belt buckle, or if you're not wearing a belt, halfway between where the top and bottom of your belt buckle would naturally be. Hope this was helpful. If this video was any benefit to you, click like, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can be notified when I post new videos. Also, in case you're wondering, yes, this is a River Tam poster signed by Summer Glau herself, personalized to me. Also, one final tip. Some of the ties have a place on the back here where you can stick the tag end in. This tie does not. So what you can do to keep it from looking like that is you take this end and you stick it in your shirt, and you're ready to rock.